Hi everybody, welcome to the Cryptic Chevy channel. Doing this video real quick to show everyone the tonneau cover that I have on this truck, because I've had a few people asking about where I got it, what type it was, brand, cost. So I wanted to shoot this to show the Gator brand EFX tri-fold hard tonneau cover. I can tell you this thing is awesome. I did do a couple things above and beyond actually replacing or upgrading parts that came with it, just to eliminate getting any leaks inside the bed, which I have not. This thing has taken some beatings in the rain, and I have not gotten any water inside. I got the tonneau cover from Real Truck, and it was $6.99. It took me by myself probably about an hour, hour and a half to install. And as you can see, it's flush to the tailgate. I have it flush to the top portion, left and right sides of the bed. And like I said, this thing doesn't get any water in there at all. Now, I did not use the waterproof seal that came from Real Truck with the tonneau cover. I went on Amazon and got a 5/16 thickness waterproof weather strip that I put at the front near the window, below the seal, all the way across under the window. I did not do anything on the left and right sides of the truck because this sits down flush, and now that I've had this for a few months, I can tell you that there's no water getting in on the sides. Now on the rear, I did put some stripping underneath, but it was a little bit thinner due to the fact that that 5/16 thickness wouldn't allow for the tailgate to shut without doing damage to it. So I'm going to try to show you, and I'm sorry about the wind. Wanted to do this outside, and I apologize if you need to turn your volume down a little bit. I'm going to try to do this quick, make sure that everybody can understand me. The wind was not bad, obviously, up until the time I started shooting this video. So I want to show you the functionality of the tonneau cover, show you how to open it and remove if necessary. There's two pull tabs on these coated steel wires. And I'm going to show you up here as well. The seal that runs along the tailgate here is actually where I put the weather stripping underneath. It's in between, so that when this shuts on the tailgate, when the tailgate comes up, it pushes this and it sits right down to the tailgate, so there hasn't been any water coming in there at all. But it's just a matter of pulling, releasing, doing the same thing for the second panel, and up to the end. Now you have these Velcro straps here. You can just lock them into place if you don't need to remove the entire tonneau cover. But if you do, it's very simple. all you're doing is you have your locking tabs up here, and it's just as simple as unscrewing those and pulling those tabs on the end out of your track. You can lift this whole entire 3-piece trifold tonneau cover out, which weighs I think somewhere in the range of 30 to 40 pounds, and you can slide it in the back of your cab for easy storage until you need to put it back on. And this stuff that's in there, no, that is not from water that leaked in. I washed the truck before we did this video today, and I tried to wash out the bed because I had some stuff left over from some mulch that I had put in there, but that is not because the cover allowed to leak in. So again, real truck retails for $6.99. I got it on some kind of special a few months ago that they had $6.29 free shipping. The shipping was fast, and it's an awesome tonneau cover. I would recommend it to anyone who's looking for something affordable that's a hard top. Know it supports 300 pounds, so I'm pretty confident about someone being able to get into this. It will probably take them some time, but awesome cover. If you're looking to get one that's budget friendly, functional, and excellent quality, the Gator EFX from Real Truck is the way to go. And when you close up, it's simple. All we're gonna do, if you're locking it in place without removing the whole cover, that's it. Pop it back, and as you can see it here, snap into place. And that's it. Easy to use, easy to remove if necessary. Great cover. Get you one. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Enjoy.